So there are different types of candlesticks with doji. There are like dojis, tweezers, marubozu, and engulfing candles will be there. Yes. So let's go one by one. I will teach you almost around 8 kinds of candlestick patterns. Repeat necessary questions or turning off on your videos, etc. If you do so, you will be kicked out of the session. Okay. Yeah. Let's go with the doji first. I'll share the screen for the doji. Yes, can you see the PowerPoint presentation? Can you see it? Is the presentation visible? Yes. Yes, this is called a doji. Okay, where this is called dragonfly doji, where open and close are same, and it has fly doji. Okay, so how to recognize it in a trend? Let me show you with the real-time example. Petronet. I have made a list of certain real examples today. As market was very much flat, I was not able to like collect more examples. Yes, here it is. As you can see at 11:04. In fact, yes. Yeah, here you can see it, right? Okay, let me tell you the conditions first. How to recognize the doji and where to use this dragonfly doji. Okay, there must be a preceding downtrend. As we can see, there is a preceding downtrend here from almost 10:49 to 11:03. There is a downtrend, right? At the bottom of a downtrend, we are finding a doji. This is called dragonfly doji. Okay, at bottom of downtrend, and it looks like a letter T. We even found a doji just 2 candles before, but there is one more condition to enter here, that the next candle must close above the close of doji. As we can see, the close of doji is at 212.95, right? Okay, yeah. So the opening, the highest, and the closing price are the same here in the doji. Okay, so the next candle, we have to wait for the next candle to close above the doji, as we can see here. Okay, and we have to take position immediately as the next candle closes above the doji. Okay, where the stock almost like appreciated from 213.35 to 214. As market was very flat, it has not made good appreciation from the point of buying. Okay, there will be several more examples where you can find it in the real-time example. Okay, so this is the first type of doji, that is dragonfly doji. Is everybody clear with that?
Actually, the chat box is not work, so I couldn't see the screen also.
Please check your net connection, because almost everybody can see the
Okay, should I
screen being
exit
shared.
and re-enter?
Yeah, please. So yeah, let me repeat it once again. There must be a preceding downtrend. It looks like a letter T. Dragonfly should be there. And we are talking about dragonfly doji only. It should be at a bottom of the downtrend, and it's looks like a letter T, where dragonfly doji has opening, the close, and the highest as the per body. This is the characteristics of dragonfly doji. And while taking the position, we have to make sure that next candle closes above the doji. As we can see in the previous scenario at 11:02, we have got a doji, but yet next candle has closed below that doji. So we cannot enter there. So the next candle at 11:04 and 11:05, we got a perfect entry point for doji, and we can take a position here. So as Mainsar said, any target between 0.3 to 0.5 would do better. And do not rely directly on candlesticks. Don't enter any trade only on candlesticks. Okay, am I audible? Please reply. Use this candlestick analysis with the strategy. This is not the strategy, this is just the analysis. Okay, so let's go with the second doji. As we can see at 1047, there is another type of doji. This is called gravestone doji. I am pointing my pointer at that particular doji. Okay, everybody able to see that? At 1147, there is one more doji. This is called gravestone doji. Okay, so yeah, how to recognize it? It's the opening price, the lowest price, and the closing price. We cannot see any color, right? No red, no green. We just have a line at the bottom, and that's called doji. Okay, so yeah, how to recognize it? We got it very clear. And yeah, it should be at top of a uptrend. As we can see, from almost 1038 to 1046, there was an uptrend, and at last we got a doji here. And similar to dragonfly doji, we should not end immediately after finding the doji. We need to wait until the next candle closes below the doji. Is it clear? I'll repeat it once again. We should find it at top of the uptrend, and we need to wait for the next candle to close below the doji. Okay, at 1051 it is closing below the doji, right? Okay, we have to take the position at this particular candle at 1052, and we can see the stock depreciated from 213.74 to almost 213. And yeah, we can get a proper exit here with the opposite doji. Is it clear? I'll repeat it once again. There must be a preceding uptrend. Okay, it looks like inverted T. Okay, and it has no real body. Is it clear? Am I clear? Yes. Okay. Yeah, there are conditions like it must be preceding uptrend. At the up, it should have preceding uptrend. Then next candle should close below the doji. Okay, this is these are the conditions. Yes. It is an inverted T. You can see that it is inverted T. Okay. First one, the dragonfly was a T letter. Now gravestone is a like inverted T. That's it. That's it. No other difference. Okay. Yes. As we can see, example. I'll show you one more example in Muthoot Fin.
So can I ask you a doubt here? Like my chat box is not working.
Yeah.
Sir, what if like after the doji is we get a doji and like after getting a new high we get a doji and then there is a red candle, but
Yeah.
then is the stock like that never happen that the stock goes straight after that?
Your voice is not clear. Your voice is breaking. Please leave a text to Mahin sir. I'll clear it. Okay, your voice is not clear. I cannot clear your doubt on this. You're not clearly audible. Please write your doubt and send it to Mahin sir. Okay? Please turn off your audio. Please turn off your audio. Thank you. You can use it with any strategy, especially with reversal. It will be working very fine. Okay, do not use this alone. Okay. Yes. Now let's go with Muthoot Fin. Yeah, here we can see at almost 921. At 921, we got one more doji. Preceding, we have a uptrend, and we have to wait till the second candle. At 923, it closed below the doji. As we can see, from 520 to it depreciated up to 517.